That is Ian Still. Oh my God, Ian Still. I'm Bree.
You're Ashley?
No, I'm Bree. And I'm Ashley. And we're gonna make a video.
Oh, we were talking about that, didn't we?
That's Tiny. Tiny disappeared. There's Jessie. And there goes Tiny and Jessie. Oh, take him down. What a cute couple that she just like walked away. Okay, thanks for leaving me. I'm coming back. We should do something crazy. Do something crazy. Do something crazy. You have that song on your iPod. I do. I just got stepped on. Yeah, well, while you're getting stepped on, you kind of hit my boob. Oh, wow. Look at that sexy ass. Turn around. Turn around, Vince. Oh, yes. You can't see that. Oh, hold on. That didn't end up too well. Oh, that's a great position.
You almost came with my nuts.
You deserve it.
And my zipper
That hurt. Would you like help out, Tiny?
Yeah.
Don't do it. It doesn't hurt. Come on, Tiny.
This is a crazy family of ours. We're gonna grow old and have a house together. And it's gonna be the most amazing thing ever. It's gonna be a party house and everyone's excited. Well, this is getting old. Ashley, let's take a walk outside. Hey, I think my mom's here. Oh Lord, my mom's here. Sorry, my fellow. Hey, Jordan. That's Jordan. And this is Ian again.
I knew that shit was gonna happen.
And I'm gonna go get in my car now. See ya. Scotty!
Flip up that big ass fence over there.
Do something crazy. Rachel!
Your dad told me to.
Okay, I love you, bye.